What is up, guys? It's your boy, No Risk, No Premium, back with another episode of the 2 Minute Drill, guys. Today, we had a day 3 of continuation this morning. Got up right to where we talked about it yesterday. Huge gap fill, 407, 408. We said that was definitely going to be a short. ES was about 40.85 to 89. I was looking at the previous week high. Never quite got there on ES. However, we got there on SPY. We took the very nice reject. ES got the 40.82. Still shortable, 3 points off. Sorry about that. But then today put in a very interesting candle here, right? Put in a very interesting inverse hammer, gravestone doji, whatever the hell you want to call it. Not good for bulls is what happened. Okay, but nonetheless, still holding above 404. Now, what's going to happen tomorrow? That's the most important thing. Boom, this guy right here. He does it twice. Tuesday and Wednesday, testifies to the Fed, testifies to the Congress, to the Senate on Tuesday, to the House of Representatives on Wednesday. So if we know that for tomorrow, and that comes at 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, that's 30 minutes into market open. What does that likely mean we do? We probably sit the fuck on our hands and just say what the hell the market wants to do. How does it want to react? What's he going to say? Is he going to change his tone? Is he going to be hawkish, dovish, whatever? I don't know. It really doesn't matter what he says. The only thing that matters is how the market reacts for the day trading action that we're going to try to play. So on to the action. What are we going to be looking for? Okay. Well, let's just zoom back just a little bit here. We can see what that 404 level proved to be a decent level here again. However, we saw that huge supply and gap fill. That's where we got to. Okay. So what are we going to be looking for, right, on tomorrow? Personally, tomorrow, I'm going to want to see, look, remember this 402, that 402 area, if you zoom it back just a little bit. Okay. It was some decent supply in here, right? We had 1, 2, 3, 4 levels. So for here, I'll be looking, look, 401 to 402. Do we get a bounce? If it doesn't come in there, I'll be looking at 399. Okay. Those levels I'll be looking to take a bounce. Okay. Now, if we get up, you'll want to see if this 408 holds his resistance here again, but even stronger above is 412. I mean, major level up here. So as far as tomorrow goes, okay, as far as what the daily is telling us here, first things first, we got closing under the 15% retracement. I think that's interesting. Not quite to the 61.8, but as far as where we reject off. So if we don't get any daily closes above that 405 level, we'll likely come down and retest some of these big levels before. You want to look at like 401, 401.50. They're going to want to look at 399 to 400. Obviously, that 396 is going to be a huge level. I think if we get underneath 399, we better hold 396 or else that last week's low is going to be coming for us. So he testifies 2 days in a row. Am I possibly thinking we get some chop when he first starts speaking Tuesday? Yes. Then we'll find out what he's going to say, and he'll likely say the exact same thing on Wednesday when he speaks to the House of Representatives. So just to zoom it in and let you guys know, okay, look for another reject. This is a huge supply area. Look for another reject at 407 to 408. It never quite filled the gap completely if we get up there. Okay, if not, I'm going to look at 401.50 area in here to take a bounce. If that doesn't bounce, then you look at 399 underneath there. That's a warning shot for bulls, and bears are going to likely test that 396 and try to take it to new lows from there. Okay, but as far as tomorrow, I'm going to look for a 400 or 399, 400 or a 401, 402 bounce. Okay, likely to play that same reject off of 408 if we get up there. All righty, guys, that is all I got for you. Hope you're having an amazing evening. Okay, I need you to wake up early. Okay, get your levels right. And of course, don't do anything fucking stupid. We'll see you bright and early.